Hey everyone, how's it going? It's that nerd Ryan here, and today we are reviewing the Transformers Studio Series Bumblebee movie, Soundwave. So these new boxes, you can barely see into them, you just see Soundwave and then more art of them. Then there's these side views, and then on the back here it says Soundwave. The fate of Cybertron is sealed as Soundwave orders the Decepticons to launch the final attack, causing the Autobots to fall back. He turns into something here. But yeah, so let's take him out of the box and review him. Alright, and here's Soundwave out of the box and transformed. By the way, this is going to be Transformers Week, so happy Transformers Week. Yeah, you get these two guns, which I'm taking off right now. And then he's kind of in like I guess a cassette player mode, kind of Cybertronian. I don't know what to make of it. It looks like just a jumbled up mess. But yeah, so let's transform him. You want to pull these feet off. And then separate this. Roll this around and roll that around. And then these pieces you want to fold here and fold in. Again, fold here and fold in. Take the feet, kind of twist them around when you do that. And then you can face them that way. Like so, and then that's the bottom half. Top half you want to... Nope. So top half you want to separate the arms right here, bring them down, and then you gotta also bring down the actual arm because that's the shoulder. He is a little tight, so it's a little hard to do. And then you also want to rotate the legs, or the feet the other way. My bad, sorry. Because that's the front. And then you gotta do it to this side as well. I'm fighting it though. That's the thing. Those shoulder pieces do like to pop off. There we go. Fix that really quick. And then put the arms out like that. And then you just pop this side out. And then, because I have gigantic hands, and not the target hands of the buyers, there we go, flip it out. So then here, and then flip them out, and then the last thing you do is rotate the head around. And there is Soundwave mostly transformed. Next, you just take out the gun. Over here, you gotta... Oh, that's what we forgot. So you gotta pop that up, roll that around, twist that, and put that down. And then put that down. Or actually, yeah, put that down. And then you put his cannon here. So there's the iconic look of Soundwave. And you got his gun right here. And yeah, there he is, looking amazing. Comes in at about 7.5 inches tall. It's a quick 360 of the guy, looking very schwanky. The mold looks perfect. Transform, the alternate mode kind of looks weird, but I mean, he looks great here. Coloring is perfect as well. Head can rotate 360. Arms can rotate around, and elbow joint. Hands don't rotate. Neither does his torso. Legs, though, can move pretty freely. It's got that, and then the feet can swivel around and move pretty well. So yeah, good articulation and everything. Definitely gonna give this guy a 8 out of 10. Very nice figure and very cool looking. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and follow me on all my social media down below. It's that nerd Ryan telling you, have a